Analyze and adjust your budget to foster financial stability. A budget is a basic blueprint for your finances that helps you organize and categorize expenses for a stable financial house. But it can't just be drawn up and tossed aside. It needs to be appraised often and adjusted as needed. Fixed expenses are easy to house due to their consistency, only adjusting for things like annual property tax and insurance adjustments on your mortgage or rate changes on variable loans. On the other hand, flexible and discretionary expenses have no set costs. You must take the steps to ensure they fit in your budget. Set target spending limits for each expense. Take an average of 3 months of those expenses to target a spending limit. Once set, review your budget at least once every 3 months. If your actual spending is higher, you need to cut back or adjust the target limit. Make sure the total expenses fit the structure set by your income. If one expense grows, something else may need to be cut or reduced. Remember to make seasonal adjustments. Utility bills and fuel costs typically change from summer to winter. Your budget can also be used to plan for key events like back to school and holiday shopping. By revisiting your budget often, you can always have a financial house to fit your life and goals. For more great budgeting tips, visit Consolidated Credit.